Welcome to the Book Express channel. Have you ever experienced déjà vu and wondered if it's a glitch in your reality? Some scientists and philosophers believe that everything you perceive as real might actually be a highly sophisticated computer simulation. Imagine waking up one day to find out that everything you've experienced has been programmed into a vast digital cosmos. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. The simulation hypothesis suggests that we, and our entire universe, are part of an advanced digital construct, overseen by some form of higher intelligence. It's like playing a video game, except we don't know we're part of it. This hypothesis isn't just about questioning reality, it's about questioning the very essence of human experience and existence. For instance, quantum mechanics often defies classical logic, and some argue it could be proof of underlying code in our universe. As we explore this idea, we begin to see the lines between science fiction and scientific possibility blur, challenging our perceptions of what is truly real. So, what exactly is the simulation hypothesis? Coined by philosopher Nick Bostrom, it's a modern consideration that we might be living in a computer simulation. Bostrom argues that if future civilizations have immense computing power, they might run simulations of their ancestors, us. This isn't about creating a simple video game, but about simulating entire universes where the inhabitants have their own consciousness and don't know they're in a simulation. If one assumes that technological and computational capabilities in the future could reach such advanced levels, the likelihood of us being the original biological life form becomes slimmer. Instead, it's more probable that we are among the countless simulations run by a more advanced civilization. But how would this work? It involves creating a simulated reality that's indistinguishable from the real thing. Every tree, every raindrop, and every human emotion would be coded by incredibly complex algorithms. The arguments supporting the simulation hypothesis are compelling and draw on various scientific disciplines. One major argument is the rapid advancement of technology. Look at video games. In just a few decades, they've evolved from simple 2D forms to complex, immersive worlds. Some proponents argue that it's only a matter of time before we can create simulations that are indistinguishable from reality. If we can foresee ourselves doing it, why couldn't a more advanced civilization already be there? Another argument comes from the field of quantum physics. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that the universe only becomes definite when observed, much like a computer that only renders parts of a game that a player is looking at to save resources. However, the simulation hypothesis is not without its critics. One major argument against it is the ethical and philosophical implications it raises. If we are in a simulation, what does that mean for free will? Are our choices truly our own, or are we merely following predetermined paths laid out by our simulators? Another argument is the technological and energy requirements such a simulation would need. Simulating an entire universe down to the quantum level would require computational powers that are unimaginable with current technology. Without concrete evidence, the simulation hypothesis remains a fascinating but unprovable theory. The philosophical and ethical implications of the simulation hypothesis are profound and multifaceted. If true, it challenges the very notion of reality and our place within it. Are we just scripts running in an elaborate cosmic play? And if so, what is the purpose of such a simulation? Ethically, the hypothesis introduces a new dimension to our understanding of rights and responsibilities. If we are simulated beings, does that diminish our value or rights compared to a real entity? What moral obligations do they have towards the beings within their simulations? In conclusion, the simulation hypothesis invites us to question the very fabric of reality. Whether we are actual citizens of a vast simulation or merely biological beings in a real universe, the implications are monumental. This hypothesis not only expands our understanding of the cosmos, but also challenges us to consider deeper, more philosophical questions about our existence. As we continue to explore this theory, it remains crucial to approach it with both an open mind and a critical eye. The simulation hypothesis, whether true or not, provides a valuable framework for examining the limits of human understanding and the potential futures of technology. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching.